Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage financial analytics with Tableau, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin managing financial analytics with Tableau, first ensure you have Tableau installed on your computer. Launch Tableau and connect to your financial data source. If you are using Excel, select the Excel option and locate your file. For databases, select the appropriate connector that aligns with your database type. Once connected, Tableau will display the data in the data pane. Review the fields available to ensure your financial data is correctly imported. Create a new worksheet by clicking on the Worksheet tab at the bottom. Drag and drop relevant dimensions and measures into the rows and columns shelves. For financial analytics, consider using dimensions such as time, department, or product. Use measures like revenue, expenses, and profit. To visualize the data effectively, select a chart type from the Show Me panel. Bar charts work well for comparing financial performance across categories. Line charts are useful for tracking financial trends over time. Consider using pie charts for showing proportionate data. Add filters to your analysis by dragging fields to the Filters shelf. This can help you focus on specific time periods or departments. Utilize calculated fields to create custom metrics. Right-click in the data pane and select Create Calculated Field. Use common financial formulas, like calculating profit margins or growth rates. Once your visualizations are set, create a dashboard. Click on the Dashboard tab at the bottom and select New Dashboard. Drag your worksheets into the dashboard area for a consolidated view. Adjust sizing and layout to ensure clarity and ease of interpretation. Incorporate interactivity by using filter actions or highlight actions. This allows users to click on elements of the dashboard to see related data. Consider adding text boxes for annotations or explanations. Use the Format menu to customize the appearance of your dashboard. Once satisfied with your dashboard, save your Tableau workbook. If you plan to share your analytics, publish your workbook to Tableau Server or Tableau Public. Ensure you manage permissions appropriately to protect sensitive financial data. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.